All right, welcome back to the channel. Let's take a look at Sansu, which just launched a couple days ago by Paz and Luke Bowes. And they are the creators of some of those other tools that I have done demos of in the past. Manaka Royalty. Let's go back in over here. Look at some of the other ones. Nuri Creator right here, Crispy Sticks, Manaka Royalty. And so if you're into selling books on Amazon KDP, then this is the right video and tool for you. This Sansu actually creates math books. I'm also going to go and take you into another platform that you could actually go and create these and sell them on as well. And I'm going to show you proof of earnings and so forth. So we'll come through here and you can see right over here, there's built-in buyer traffic. So all you have to do is just create these books. And this is a unique tool. I like that Ike and his team and Luke Bowes, the developer of the tool, that they go after markets with software in the publishing space that are untapped and that are hard to create. So if you're going to create these math books that like teachers want to create and for other teachers, I'm going to show you how you could do that. Or even, people that are kids that are being homeschooled and parents are going to Amazon to find these books, your books could show up as well. And the books would be hard to create if you didn't have a tool like this. And so that's really the major selling point of the software. It includes 11 KDP trim sizes, which that basically means the size of the book, a 9x16 book, a 8.5 by 11 book, 8.5 by 8.5 book for like a children's type book. And then there's 9 more sizes. And you can see they always lead off by example and people actually making money. And just like I told you, teachers pay teachers, Amazon KDP, people making this person right here made over $4,000 in royalties selling books online that they created just months ago. They started this business and they're making that right there. Looks like it's an Amazon KDP earnings right there. So that's what I really like. You can see right over here, proof of payments when he gets paid every single month from his account and others of his customers, showing that this stuff actually works. I'm going to lead off by showing you some more real world examples of actually making money with this stuff. But we'll come through here and just show you what the kind of inside looks like. So you have all these math, and of course they just have so many testimonies of people using their software to actually make money. So if you're looking for a side hustle, now, this is something that, like, I'm not going to tell you, you're not going to start making thousands of dollars overnight. Most businesses, that's just not possible. But particularly with publishing, it is a long-term, play, meaning that if you stick with this day in and day out, month after month, you can start making thousands of dollars. And once you do that and you do everything ethical and you do everything in a little bit more of a slower pace is what I would suggest in 2026. Don't go overboard, don't spam, because that's what gets your account banned. Believe me, I've had my Amazon KDP account banned. Now, I do have an LLC since then, and so that's the only other way that you can actually come in and maybe get another account is if you start a business, start an LLC, then you'd be using a different employee identification number, and you could maybe get an account back. But, when Amazon takes copyright very seriously, so you don't want to go and make books that are copyrighted like Disney and, just different things like that. You don't want to take anybody else's material and create things based off of that or quotes from famous people or anything like that. Don't do any of that stuff. Just create, you do micro niche research and create. And Ike has all kinds of training that he goes over in the training section. I'll show you that in a minute as well. So of course, happy customers, it even creates geometry math books. You can see right over here, a lot of proof of earnings, and there's a lot right there. And some of the covers of what you could expect. And this is some more of what you could create right in here. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to come in here, and I'm just going to show you real quick before doing this, because I want to make this video as motivational and valuable as I can. Now, I'm not going to be able to show you Amazon KDP earnings, but I will be able to show you my Teachers Pay Teachers account. And I'm going to show you that right now just to show you that this stuff actually does work. So I'm over here in my account, my Teachers Pay Teachers account, and you can see it's Coloring Bistro. I have 340 followers, a 4.8 star rating out of 233 ratings. So that is something that didn't happen overnight. I actually did a lot of this a long time ago, and you can see $7,000, almost $8,000 in earnings right there. And you can see that first month was just crazy back in 2021. We made almost $758. That was just crazy. That is a really, the beginning of the year, usually December. Yeah, December does really, really well. November and December do really, really well each year. But even after having this since 2021, right? So 22, 23, 24, 25, and then we're even into 26. So 4 to 5 years ago. And that's where I did the bulk of my business in uploading like a couple hundred products. You can see that we even beat last year, 352. So 366 right here. I virtually have not put any new products or anything like that. And we literally beat the year before out. So this shows sustainability. This shows evergreen. This shows like if I actually took this serious, hired a team and just continued to publish and research and take this seriously, I would be making thousands of dollars per month just from this little site called Teachers Pay Teachers. You can take these, you can sell them on Etsy as well. And it's gonna, in some respects, be even less work because you're only selling a digital print. You're not even selling a physical copy. Now, if you're going to go to Amazon KDP and sell these books, they have the ability to print the book out and people get a physical copy. So that's really, really a nice way to do it too. So you could actually upload to all 3 platforms if you wanted to as well. Or if I recommend, if you're just getting started, pick one of the platforms, Amazon KDP, Etsy, or Teachers Pay Teachers, and just go all in on one platform until you are starting to make $1,000 a month from that platform. Then you could start go, okay, I want to build my own website, or I want to do this, or I want to go onto another platform. But that's what I kind of recommend. So you can see right over here, there's the $7,758 right there. I can go over here and just show, like the last, let's just say last year, for example, and I'll apply. And we still made $1,200 last year. We make money on a daily basis with this business. Look at this, guys. I don't do anything with this. I don't have a team. I'm not uploading any products. These are the same types of things, math, work, activity books, workbooks, a lot of coloring books. That's why I'm called Coloring Bistro. So a lot of coloring books, and we still make money in 2025, 2026, and the AI era. It's still all about niche research, keyword research, and creating and you still have to do the work. That's the thing, guys. You still have to use the tools that you're buying. Like if you end up going and buying the Sansu right here, there's a link below. I'll go over the pricing. It's $37 to get started. It's $37 for the front end. You still have to go in and spend 30 minutes to an hour every day creating a book, publishing, doing keyword research, all that kind of stuff. This can be a real business if you actually take it serious. Now, this is great for people that also don't want to get on camera, don't want to record their voice, don't want to, maybe it's just another step up from effort if you want to build a YouTube channel and start making money as an affiliate like myself, or as a YouTuber with multiple YouTube channels, right? There's a lot of work and dedication and discipline that goes into this. This allows you to kind of, sit back on your laptop, go to the coffee shop and make money and just create these books using the software. You don't have to get on camera. You don't have to do anything like that. And so that's what I like about this business is that the barrier to entry is lower, but I still think that most people will pick this up and not really do much with it. They'll put out a couple books, they won't make any money, and then they'll just quit and they'll look on to the next thing. But this is something that you can truly, truly build a real business around if you actually take it serious, right? Like I said, Etsy, Teachers Pay Teachers, or Amazon KDP. I've got the proof right there. There's the real money right there. Now, I want to get into this and show you the tool, but don't sleep on the fact that when you come in here, I love that they changed over. They basically have an entire ecosystem of tools where everything is housed under BowesPaz.com. I love this because there's no longer, you no longer have to go and log in to every single, like Monaco royalty and having to log in for that and have a login for your, all these different tools, and each tool has several different tools and abilities inside of them, but they're housing everything, all their training, all their support tickets, their Facebook group, the free tools that they give you that are literally premium tools that you'd have to pay for. I'm going to show you that in just a sec. They're housing everything under one roof, and that was super smart of them to do that. Noticing that they're going to continue to build tools and stay ahead of the market and provide the best tools on the market in this space, and then put them all under one roof. So I really, really love that. These Kai Elite, these apps right here are AI. There's a lot of AI that you can build into the tools as well. But I want to go over here and show you the KDP tools right over here. So if we go over here to there's a training. So the KDP tools, these are all free tools that would cost you money separately, like the KDP Finder right here. You can click on that. You can do research right over here. It's going to help you with your 7 keywords for your book on the back end when you publish on KDP. But we could come in here and just do something like, like we could type in fractions for 4th grade, right? And this one even labeled as trending, right? So we've got a good keyword right over here. You can go and start doing this keyword research research, and this is built inside of the tool. Now you can go and take this keyword, you can go and research KDP, find out what, like maybe find a longer tail, fractions for grade 4 number line, right? Now we could go and maybe perhaps grab this keyword right here. And then you could even go in over here to Teachers Pay Teachers and see these are the only ones that are showing up right here. So chances are, if you created a book with fractions for grade 4 number line, we can go in here and do a control find, control V. There's nothing else ranking. So Teachers Pay Teachers is going to have to rank you for that keyword. Yes, there's probably not thousands of searches for that, but even if there's 10 to 20, maybe up to 50 searches per month for that keyword, you're going to rank at the top because you're the only one that created a book specifically on that, right? Then you can go in and you can also do this kind of research in, we would just go into Amazon right here, right? And I'm going to go over here and I'm going to paste that in and push enter, and you're going to see there's only 23 results. And we can even go like this and do a control find and see like there's nothing ranking for that book. So that means that we could go and actually create a book on that keyword, right? So the tools in here are really, really good. One other one, there's a bunch right here, but one of the other ones that I wanted to show you was the PDF combiner, right? You can add multiple PDFs right here and it'll combine them together. You used to have to come over here and go to Google and say combine PDF and then do a bunch of, like you could only use like ilovepdf.com. You can only use it just like for a couple times a day, and then you would have to pay for it, right? They build that in for their customers for free. So these are premium tools right over here that you get inside of the BowesPaz ecosystem, which is great. Okay, so now I want to jump in and just show you. Yeah, so this is inside. We'll come over here and I'll show you. Here's the Sansu royalty. This is the math workbook generator right over here. We can go and launch the app, and there are some other ones that you can pick up that are the one-time offers, the Emoji royalty app, letter worksheets generator. Then you have the science worksheets right here. So science worksheets generator app right here, which is really cool. I can't show you everything. If we have time, I'll try to do a science one. I think that one takes the whole uniqueness and difficulty level to create a book up a notch like crazy. I've created these science worksheets or workbooks before, and I still have them, and they're selling at $6 a pop on Teachers Pay Teachers. And so these can be great for people that are studying to be a nurse or something like that. You can actually astrology, astronomy, all kinds of stuff. You can create these science type of books and put those together as well. So I want to go show you this real quick. Yes, that was a long introduction, but on these types of tools, like I like to explain the entire thing for you in case this is kind of new to you. I like to give you a lot of background information, and that's why you're here. You expect me to be the expert on many of these tools. And so that's why I don't just jump right in and show you. I can show you how to use the tool right now. That's what I'm going to do. But I really want to give you as much background in the business model, who created the tool, why you should care, and so forth. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is what it's going to look like inside. And once you start in their ecosystem with the new tool design that they've created, many of these tools are going to look like this. So you're going to start you're going to get comfortable using these tools because they all are going to start looking the same, which is great, but they're just going to be able to do different things for you. So here's your math book right here. You can go and create one page, or you can create a bulk book right here. I'm going to move this down just a little bit. Okay, that looks fine. So here's where they're talking about what those 11 sizes right over here. So they're suggesting for the most part for these types of books, 8.5 by 11. The standard right here is going to be for that type of book what the typical size is for Amazon KDP. So we're going to leave that there right there. We're going to go with English. And then we're going to come over here, and you have all these different operations right here that we can actually select from, right? Here's some quick templates, or we can go right over here as well. Now, I don't really know the difference between us selecting one of these right over here. Simple division 1 through 10, times tables, things like that. Or I guess if you go into maybe long division, then we could go into long division, same denominator. I mean, look at all these half different denominators, times tables, all kinds of stuff. So there we go. So we have like a fraction divided by a fraction. You could do that one, fraction addition right there. So that's kind of cool. So literally fraction addition, right? You could go back into the keyword finder right over here. I'm going to go back up here into the keyword finder, and you could say fraction addition. And you're going to have fraction addition mixed number. You're going to have all these different different keywords that come in here, and you could focus on just this. Like there's so many, there's hundreds or even thousands of micro niches and possibilities once you even start just going into the tool and start looking at this. Now, I don't want to sleep on the fact that you can also go to training while you're inside the tool. You just click on the training button over here, and it'll open up and it'll show you exactly how to use Sansu, exactly how to find micro niches. And then it'll also teach you how to create book covers with their book cover creator that's inside the tool as well. I think the book cover creator is maybe it's over here. Yeah, it's not right there, but I do believe they have the book cover somewhere over here. There's the book cover generator. And if you have that tool that you've purchased in the past, then you can create that. And they have the full blown tutorial right here that shows you how to create a 20-minute video or 15-minute video. Shows you how to use that book creator tool. There's even an AI version of it that you can upgrade to, and it will just use AI. But the important thing is that you have to have the bleed, the trim, the page numbers, and also what image you put on where it's at with the template. And so they take care of all of that with their tool. So that's probably one of the most technical parts, putting together the interior of these books to match and to get approved on KDP, plus the book cover and knowing exactly how to put all that together. They've taken care of all that hard stuff. I used to do this 4 or 5 years ago, and I can tell you it was a lot harder 4 or 5 years ago. You had to actually get a calculator out and spreadsheets and figure out trim and bleed size and all that in order for it to pass and get approved. Their tool takes care of all that for you. Okay, so we can come back over here again. So you can go page numbers again. You can come through here, add to queue, and we're going to go with. You can change the rows. So if we just want 4 on each row right there, then we could change that up right there. Vertical, horizontal, question labels right here, label size, and then there's typography. You can fine tune every part of this right here. Just trying to look where the actual page number is how many pages we want to put in. Okay, so that's what you do right here. So you actually come up here and you do set the quantity right over here, and then you come down here and you can either overwrite existing pages or clear queue after generation, and then you generate the pages right here, and now it will go and generate all these pages. Every single one will be different right here, and you have your book right there. Then you can go over here and you can go with the math problems blank, instructions. You can add the instructions, and you can go with copyright right there. And I'm just going to go like that. And then you can just go and you'll export this. You have all these settings right over here, and you can download the PDF. And the PDF is what you would use to go and upload KDP or Teachers Pay Teachers or Etsy. Okay. So I think I've covered everything. This starts at $37. Again, if you've bought any of the other products, you know that they're high quality. It's probably the best on the market that you can get. And this is an actual business model that if you take it serious, you can actually start making money from this. Everything's housed under one roof. So if you own it, it'll show up and it'll tell you that you own it. And there you go, $37 to get started right over here. Now there are, like I said, I'll just go over real quick. There is a one-time offer AI book ads. So I don't know what that is, but you're going to use AI and their formula to quickly create ads for your premium books that you really want to take to the next level. And there's a whole program that they're going to show you how to run ads on like Amazon KDP to get your books or those reviews, those sales, and then to stay on top and to continue to build evergreen sales. And then you have the emoji royalty and the Rika royalty as well. The other one is the science book. Let's go and just take a look at the science book real quick. Science books, I'm going to launch that app right there, and we can see what this would look like. So by topic, by grade. So if you want to go with grade right here and by topic, and then you can see what do plants breathe in, name the 4 plants. So these are really going to be great. You have animals, you have habitats, life cycles right over here. It's going to be able to create these full blown books. Like a lot of work went into this tool. You start creating stuff like this, guys, and you take it serious and find the right keywords and then start selling them on like KDP and TPT, you're going to start making money. And so that's all there is to it. So hopefully you guys got extreme value from this video. I do recommend this product. And this is the final thing. This actually launched on Friday, but I have a bunch of things going on in my personal life. I'm moving and things like that. So I wasn't able to produce this video and promote this over the weekend, which I would have loved to do. But this is Monday. If you're seeing this video, if you want it for the lowest price, the $37, if you're seeing this video right now, today is the last day of the launch. There was only a 4-day launch. launch and today's day 4 because this launched on Friday. So if you want the $37 price point and you got value from this and you want to help support the channel, then hit that first link below. Go and pick this up. Today's the last day. It's Monday, April 20th. So go pick it up today. And then the price goes up if you see this later on. It's still worth picking up. The price will only go up like 10 or 20 bucks, something like that. So thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next video.